Hi guys, I want to show you how to use the new program feature on Beyond the Whiteboard. Quite a few of you have mentioned that you want to learn strict handstand push-ups or strict pull-ups. Those are three of the programs offered. So what I want you to do is open up your Beyond the Whiteboard app. You'll see the main screen here, and kind of right in the middle, about 5 down, is a new tab called Programs. We're going to tap on Programs. You'll see they offer 3 new programs: first strict pull-up, first push-up, and first strict handstand push-up. What you're going to do is select the one that applies to you, hit the More button. You're going to select the start date. Important that you take a look at the prerequisites for each program. If you don't have that, start with what the prerequisites are or contact us. And then you can hit the start date, choose what date you would like to start the program on, hit OK, and then select how many days a week you want to do this program. This one is for 20 sessions, so maybe 3 days a week would be applicable. Let's go Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we'll hit Add Program. And then those programs will be added to my personal track. You should be able to see those. If I go to maybe next week, I started on the 24th. There should be one here. Scroll down, I've got a lot of stuff. There we go. So we've got strict pull-up, day 1 of 20. Welcome. Has a warm-up with some videos, and then your strict pull-up test. They want to test you. And then we're going to have some skill work, part A and part B and C. So it's a pretty comprehensive program. You can add that on depending on what your goal is and kind of what you have at home to work with. If you need some guidance on that, you can always contact us. But that's how you can definitely get started on first handstand push-up, first push-up, maybe first strict pull-up as well. If you have any questions, again, just hit us up, either john@alllevel.ca or zach@alllevel.ca. Thanks very much. Have a great day.